What you're looking at here are the multi-point suspended scaffold platforms that are hanging in the Seneca Niagara Casino. There are 4 legs, they're 300 feet long, and 3 of them are 30 feet wide, and they sit 40 feet above the ground, above the gaming floor, while people are actually playing and gambling. There's a few shots here, we'll get to some video in a second so you can really see the perspective, but this is 40 feet above the gaming floor, hanging from the trusses there. So yeah, I wanted to show you as you enter the casino what it looks like. When you step in and look up, this is what you see. Some people call these hanging bridge platforms. This is a multi-point suspended platform that can hold an immense amount of weight. It's really versatile, and it allows you to do what scaffolding work needs to be done without inhibiting whatever's below it. So, for instance, this whole job was completed, installed while this was open for business. So this gives you the best perspective of just how high up these things are. You can see that's a platform up above. You're looking at one across the way there, and they're both, 40 feet above the gaming floor below. And just how stable they are. There's a platform right next to us. There's a man walking across it. It doesn't move, it doesn't vibrate, and you can see we are 40 feet above all the gaming centers below. And even more indicative of what they can handle, here are pieces waiting to be installed. They're putting in new ventilation systems. These are pieces of the ductwork that are waiting to be installed down one of the legs of this. And you can see here just how large they are. You can see the trusses off to the right. That's what they're clamped onto and then suspended down from. This gives you a good idea of just how wide this center platform is. It's 30 feet wide and very, very stable. You can even see you can put a rolling tower on it if you need to get even further up. It can handle that kind of weight. It's suspended by 3 different points, chains on the outside and the chains on the center, and that's what gives it its stability. As you can see here, crews are walking down one of the platforms, and you can see the chains off to their right, and in the center here, the same thing, but it just shows how stable it is. The best part is you can also see the netting, which cocoons everything.
That's what they're doing, they're installing the ductwork. That's why this platform's here, for ductwork installation.
And here you actually see the men installing the ventilation systems that are hanging from the ceilings, and this will help provide new ventilation for the building below. And they're very large and very heavy, and these platforms allow them to do the work while business goes on below. And there's the netting. We're looking through the netting, which cocoons these long 300-yard tracks, so nothing can fall out onto the gaming floor below. So it's a great protection device, having the debris netting on them. There you can see the rolling towers in the background. They're doing some work up in the ceiling again. But this is just a really versatile way to get to places that need to be open below, where you need a very stable platform and a stable environment. Once again, here's a final look at just how immense they are from the floor up, and you can see they did their job well.